Toilet tanks, how often are you cleaning yours? And have you ever thought of putting Pine Sol in your toilet tank? At the end of this video, you're gonna be saying to yourself, Andrea Jean, I am gonna be doing that. What's happening in here impacts what's happening down there. So let's just go to town, shall we? We're gonna get some gloves, grab yourself some paper towel, and watch what happens. I would say about 1/4 cup. Good. And we're gonna let that sit for about, I don't know, 15 minutes. I'll tell you why this works so well in just a second. Maybe even better than vinegar. A couple things that you're gonna do while this sits, we go in here. You wanna get around these screws right in here. You can remove your toilet seat, but it's kind of a pain in the butt. Depending upon your toilet seat, get in there. Then I'm gonna turn this right here. I'm gonna get some more Pine Sol on it. Down in here is a nasty culprit for those bathroom smells. Bacteria City. The toilet brush. This thing, I'm just gonna set that right there for a hot second. Don't worry, we're gonna be cleaning all this up. You're gonna put a little of this Pine Sol down in here, and then you're gonna stick your toilet brush down in here to clean and sanitize that toilet brush. Next, pour just a little bit in your bowl like this. Now if you have brown staining up in your undercarriage or around here, this will work great. I have 2 paper towels here in my sink. I'm just gonna pour a little Pine Sol on these, saturate them. Now I'm gonna take my sheets, by the way, you do not wanna flush this down the toilet, and I'm gonna stick them up here under where there's a lot of disgustingness and smells under there, and this will stay very nicely. You can see little holes. Can you see those tiny little holes in there? Yep, those get clogged and smells like to stick in there. Take your other one and you can do this around your entire toilet rim, or the undercarriage, I like to call it. But bam! Let that sit for as long as humanly possible. Then you're gonna go ahead and take these out and discard. You can go ahead and sanitize your cleaning gloves also with the Pine Sol. Then you're gonna clean the inside of the toilet like so. Get any of that stuck on stuff and hard water staining going on in there. Now here comes the fun part. We flush. Within a couple flushes, this will be completely gone without any damage to your toilet. You ever have that musty smell in your bathroom? Yep, Pine Sol will take care of it, especially if you hate the smell of that vinegar. Ooh, it smells so fresh and so clean in here. Who knows who sings that song? Let us know. Kills the virus plus 99.9% of germs. Toilet bowls. Pour 1/2 cup into bowl and brush thoroughly under the rim. Well, we took care of that problem now, didn't we? Let me know in the comments box below if you have tried this. Also, click this video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.